This is a tutorial for Superman straight from standing. So you go through one grip point and that is the top of your thigh. So you should definitely already have a cradle and a normal Superman for this. So I'll just talk you through the position a little bit. Actually, let's go down to the floor. So if we are in this position, imagine the bottom hand is low and in a split grip. The top hand wants to be in a cup grip. So a cup grip facing backwards. So usually you go in with this true grip where your thumb's facing up, but we don't want that in this position because we want to be able to take the hand off and on straight away, or off and on. So it goes from cup grip backwards into a true grip. As that's happening, so you go up, you've got the cup grip, the leg comes over, you take it into true grip. So just do this a few times from the floor because it'll really help when you're up the pole. That's where you're going. There. Probably help if you have your flat line to Superman as well with this, just so you know the direction of the hands and where they're going. So it's actually quite hard to do in slow motion, but I'll do my best while I'm talking to you. So I've got this top hand, what will be the top hand, is at like an eye level, so it's a little bit higher than my shoulder. Bottom hand, around about a little bit lower than hip level. And I know that I want to go on with my right hip, probably like central to this. So we'll just show you that. I'm going to step with the outside leg. So right hand's low, step with the left leg. Step up. That's the first position. This outside leg goes round, and that's the point where I'm letting go to bring it round into true grip to there. And literally that is all there is to it. You just need the speed, you need the build up to get into it. So just really just play around with getting it. It's more painful if you do it slow. Better to just go through it. And just, you know, play with that position of weight. So if we just try a little bit the other side, you're stepping. Where's your weight? It's got to be on that bottom thigh, because that's your pivot point for when you take the top hand off. So it's really important to remember that that's where your weight is resting. Okay, so watch it a few times and then have a little try. Good luck.